Hey guys, if you want to learn to tune pianos, if you are sitting around thinking, man, I need a job or I just got laid off or whatever is going on in your life, and you're thinking, I need some extra money. I just want to do something extra. This is what this video is about, okay? But I want you to stick to the end. I'll show you how you can kind of connect with me and ask me questions. But the point is, during coronavirus, I got bored because I wasn't doing much for a couple weeks, and I finally put together this course. And I was like, this is what I'll do. I'll go to one of the studios. Everybody shut down. I was like, this is weird. So I went into the studio and I just spent a couple days recording and shooting the course that everybody's been talking to me and asking me to do, like, teach me how to tune pianos, teach me how to tune pianos. And I've taught some people one-on-one, but it is exhausting to do that over time. It's very exhausting. So I've had to tell people I can't do it right now. I can't do that. So I made this course and I put it up on Facebook the other day just to share with some people on this piano tuning forum. And all I get is frowny faces and I get the little frowny face. You gotta tune pianos. So here's what the guy said. I put it up here. And this is for you guys who want to tune pianos and have been poo-pooed by other people. Or if you've went around the business, say I want to tune pianos, and it's too hard for you, son. You're to tune pianos. That's too hard. It's never going to happen. All right, Koos van Leuven says, nonsense. Okay, I said I finished the complete course for tuning with an ETD, which is really what about probably, I'm going to throw out some silly math since we're in COVID-19. Silly math. Probably 80% of tuners tune with an ETD. They all have them, okay? They all have them. Even the ear guys, they have them they're hiding them in their tuning case. They're pulling them out. They're using them, okay? This guy says, nonsense. An ETD can maybe assist a professional, but it doesn't tune a piano for you. And he says, you need skills to tune a piano, real skills. And that's only achieved with many years of experience. Look, I'm going to tell you a story about a young guy. He was with me here, and he kept bugging me, teach me to tune pianos, teach me to tune pianos, teach me. I said, fine, I'll teach you to tune pianos. So I showed him just my tricks, and I let him borrow one of my extra AccuTuners, okay? And he moved into another city, but he called me the other day. He made $600. The other day he called me. He's like, I made $600 today. It wasn't even like, it was like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. He started his own little tuning business, and he used a little TuneLab app, and he's killing it. He's a smart kid, yeah. He's got talent, yeah. But I mean, he used the things that I teach you in this course. Okay, so what I'm saying is that's kind of what inspired me to start tuning pianos. I was working at a church, and I was making about $800 a week, and my piano tuning mentor was like, I made $700 today, $650 today, and I was like, what? That's crazy. That's like a full-time income for somebody for a week. Okay, that's why I started learning tuning, and then I got laid off. So yeah, I got laid off, and I was like, I could go do what he's doing and make $600 a day, or I can go try to find another job and make $600 a week. So that's what started my journey. And that's where a lot of you guys are today. That's where, when I talk to you guys on the phone and when I really connect with some of you guys about this, you want to make a living. You want to do something, you want to like what you're doing, you want to make a living. That's what this is. Okay? It's apexpiano.com, the online tuning course. It's on sale right now, and I'm getting ready to put a package together where you can get the tools. So check the links in the description in the next day or so. There are going to be a tool pack, so you're going to get the course and the tools. That's what I want to do. I want to make it, you get the course and the exact tools that I use. Now, not the Shark tuning hammer because it's expensive and you don't need that to start. But you get the tuning hammer, a couple mutes, and a couple other little of the most important tools. Look, I gave that kid a small tuning kit, and he got TuneLab on his iPhone, and he went off and he's making thousands of dollars, okay, a week. He's like, 24 years old. Okay, look, it's a future career for him, and that's what it can be for you too. Now, it's not all easy, and that's why I created APTN, the apexpiano.com. That's why we created this, so that we can show you just some of the stuff that we're doing, the stuff that really makes you money, the stuff that really gets clients and gets repeat business. That's what apexpiano.com is about. And we have the new course, which is really the flagship core. If you can tune a piano and do it well, you can go out and you can make money. If you can't tune a piano, then you're just going to be at home, get ding, 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 trying to tune a piano all day. You got to practice. You got to get good at it, okay? These guys on these forums are just having a hissy fit They can't understand how you could actually tune with an ETD. Wake up call to all you guys and in the industry. We're all using ETDs, guys. All of us. We're tuning the crap out of pianos. A lot of them. I'm making a lot of money. So get over that whole thing. Yeah, tune by ear if you want to. I'm not saying you don't. I have videos about that. You want to tune by ear all day and do all that, that's fine. There's an art to it, and that's great. You want to make a business, you want to make a lot of money, you want to go out, you want to tune, you want to have a career, you want to do it long term, have razor sharp tunings. Just get yourself an ET. Just get yourself one of them computers, man. Learn how to do it. I will show you how. ApexPiano.com. You can take my new course. It is called Apex, the Apex Way. All right? And yeah, it's about tuning. And then I have a business course and a rapid voicing course. Those are about other things. All those skills together, make yourself a good business, and don't go around and get poo-pooed by a bunch of people who want you to take years and years and years and decades and decades and decades to even get good. You can start your business this year, and that's what you need to do. If you're watching this video still, you're thinking, dang, I need to do that. God bless you guys. I will see you on the inside of the course.